Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen and Travel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare instant oats idli mix and how to prepare idlis using instant oats idli mix. These are very simple to prepare and taste super delicious. Today I am going to show you how to make beetroot, carrot and mint flavored idlis. You can make these idlis plain or you can add any vegetables of your choice. You can use bottle gourd or pumpkin or green peas. Now let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare this recipe. We need 1 cup steel cut oats or rolled oats, 1 cup semolina or idli rava, some curry leaves, finely chopped green chili, mustard seeds, urad dal, cashews, oil and asafoetida and salt to taste. Here I have taken 1 cup of rolled oats and I have dry roasted them on medium stove heat for 1 minute and allow them to cool for some time. These cooled rolled cut oats I am going to make it into a powder. Our oats powder is ready. Let's take it in any bowl. Oats powder is ready and rava is also here. Now we can start the preparation of instant oats idli mix. Keep one pan for heating. Add in 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, urad dal, finely chopped green chili, curry leaves, some cashews, asafoetida. Roast these for some time or until you get cashews and urad dal become golden brown. Now we have to add idli rava or semolina and oats powder. Mix everything well and roast it for 1 to 2 minutes on medium stove heat. If you have cooktop like this, switch off the stove and roast it for 1 to 2 minutes. Or if you have gas stove, then keep stove heat to low and roast it for 1 to 2 minutes. Let's take it in any plate and allow this to cool completely. It's 10 minutes now. Oats idli mix has cooled completely. Add salt to taste and mix everything well. You can store this in airtight container for 3 to 4 weeks. Whenever you would like to prepare idli, you can use this oats idli mix. Now you have seen how to make oats idli mix. Now we can see variety of oats idlis. Here I am using oats idli mix and grated carrot, grated beetroot, finely chopped coriander leaves, lemon, baking soda, mint and coriander paste and 1 cup of yogurt. Here I am using 2 cups of oats idli mix. In a large mixing bowl, take 2 cups of oats idli mix. You can prepare it in large quantity and whenever you would like to prepare idli, you can use this mix. Add 1 cup of yogurt and half cup of water and mix everything well. If it needs some more water, you can add and Mix everything well. Close the lid and allow it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. It's almost 10 minutes now. You can see idli mix has become little thick. We can add some more water and mix it well. Here I am going to show you 3 varieties of idlis. So here I have divided idli batter in 3 bowls. In first bowl I am going to add mint and coriander paste. Mix everything well. In the meanwhile, keep steamer ready. In the second bowl, I am going to add grated carrot. Add little finely chopped coriander leaves and water. Mix everything well. Same way, we have to add grated beetroot in the third bowl. Add little water and mix this well. After mixing all idli batters, we have to add pinch of baking soda and lemon juice. Stir it well and we have to make idlis immediately. After preparing idli batter, you can keep it for 1 to 2 hours, and when you would like to make idli, that time you have to add pinch of baking soda and lemon juice. Stir it well and immediately we have to pour it in idli plates. Same way I will add baking soda and lemon juice to carrot idli batter and beetroot idli batter. I have already greased the idli plates. All 3 idli batters are ready. Now we can pour it in idli plates. Stack the idli plates one above the other, and our steamer is ready. Here I have added 1.5 glass of water in steamer. We can place the idli plates and steam these idlis for 12 to 15 minutes on medium to high stove heat. It's 15 minutes now. Our tricolor idlis are ready. Let's take the idli plates outside and allow these to cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we can take out the idlis from idli plates. These soft and flavorful idlis are ready to enjoy with coconut chutney or sambar. You can see these idlis are very soft. Carrot idli, this is beetroot. See, you can see idlis have come very soft. Please do try this at home and share with your family and friends and enjoy cooking. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.